Well, it's the next morning. I know I don't have my watch on, but according to my big clock on the wall, it's about 20 after 10. And we're still straight this way. And we're still, within probably a fraction of a degree this way. Yeah, this went pretty good. And I know we're starting out episode 100 much the same way as we did episode number 99. That's nice and hard. This is 48 hours ago. This is yesterday afternoons. Remember yesterday when we drilled this hole? There was a little tiny hole on the other side that I wanted to, have visible. Be interesting to see how much of this epoxy got forced out that hole. Now, I got a feeling none, or very little, because this board here is sort of shaped like this, and the way it's clamped down, I got a feeling this was completely plugged off. And it wouldn't matter if it squeezed out anyway, but I'm just sort of anxious to find out here. Okay, the revealing. Well, at least I can still see where it is. You know what, I better get my other glasses so I can see up close here. Okay, we'll try that again. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, here's hoping this doesn't wander too far. No, that's not too good, but it could be worse. Looks like that's going to clear everything. Okay, now my plan is not to turn this down. My plan is to maybe just lightly sand it, get rid of the high spots. I can sort of feel it there. And then I'm going to use CA thin to strengthen it right here and right here, where it's going to ride in the pillow blocks, kind of like journals in the car engine. Yeah. I'm not going to use my dust collector here because, as you can see, the shaft is quite a ways away from the inlet. However, I am using my air cleaner. It'll sort of help to keep the dust down a little bit, and it'll especially help keep the fumes away from my face when I start using the CA glue later. I was originally only going to do the ends where the bearings were going to be doing the rubbing, but then I thought, may as well do the whole thing. There could be a little crack somewhere that I don't see, and there is going to be a lot of twisting force going on. Now, why is this reminding me of the series, The Quest for the Perfect Shine? Now, is this as good as a steel shaft? Of course not. But for the few revolutions that it's going to have to make in the journals or the pillow blocks, it should stand up pretty good.